Hello everyone, it's me Ivan again. So today I'm just going to show you what I've been working on for the past few months. I spent nearly 1 month on this, like just 1 month, and I coded over 2,000 lines of code. And I've just been doing like a house you see over there. Let me just run the code so you guys can see. First, it builds the first floor. Then it builds the second. Just like the second floor is outside. We go. So the fourth floor, there's nothing more of it. I haven't been adding anything yet, but there's some smokers so you can cook some of your food. I should be adding more, but maybe in the future episode. So now here's a balcony where it's small like a couch, a wooden couch, and there's a table. And here, this is your bedroom and your chest and stuff. And this is just a small empty room, and this is the other balcony. Well, it might not really be realistic, since as you see, first of all, these are oak fences. Yeah, but they're supposed to be actually be the small plants, the stems. Hey, we're in Minecraft, so now these are lounges you can rest in. This is scary to this third floor. And then this is the only way upstairs. Okay, so you might say, why are there no leaves here? No, it's not because my code went something wrong. It's because the leaves are decaying. See, just look before, there was a leaf over here that just decayed. It's a weird feature. So now, the third floor has had some bookshelves, and these are actually chisel bookshelves. In case you don't know, you can actually put books inside, even enchanted books. See, the regular books have random colors, and the enchanted books also have random colors. Yeah, and if you want to get a book, you just select on the pixel. See, if I want to select the enchanted book, I have Smite 5. Yeah, that's all. So now, this is all to it. So I'm just gonna run the code a few more times to make sure it's real. Yeah, some of you might not think it. Okay, I just broke a door by accident. So, these are enchanting I know they might be in the perfect position to go, but right now it's just we're not actually gonna enchant stuff in this house anyway. See, we can still enchant basic level enchantments, but we're not really gonna enchant. This is just like where you study and stuff, a legendary study area. So this is the third floor's balcony, basically the same as the second floor, but no lawn chairs. Yeah, so that's all to it. So let me just quickly break out of here. Oh yeah, this part is empty. Oh, maybe I should make a secret room in there. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna run it again. See, look, these leaves are perfectly in here. They're just decayed. I guess it's a weird feature in Minecraft education that leaves decay where if they don't have a log or a player paste block underneath. I don't know. It might be fixed in the future. Again, this is the smoke area. This is the second floor, it's the same, nothing different. Staircase up. Yeah, enchanting table. So, let me run it again. See, the first, again, it builds the floor, and I build the second floor. Yeah. So this code took hours and hours, no, a month, days, weeks and weeks of coding. Finally, it's done. See, it's at 9. Wait, why is it less blocks? Probably because I added some things in the newer one. Lost the code. But anyway, this is all the house to it. And I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe and click the like button. I wish to make more of these videos if you guys like. So, bye. See you next time.